Hey guys, welcome back. If the deck on your John Deere riding mower is loud, check your deck idler pulleys for play like this in the bearing. Now if you have play like this in your pulley, you need to replace it. That's what's causing a lot of the noise in your deck, and at some point the bearing will seize up and burn up your belt. So with a 15mm socket, just remove the nut on top. If the pulley's hard to remove, just spray some WD-40 right there, get the pulley off, and install a new one. And now the new pulley has no play in it, and your deck will be a lot quieter. Thanks for watching.